Welcome back to the garage. Today we're going to be installing this wheel hub on our Club Car Precedent. This particular wheel hub fits all Club Car Precedents, gas and electric, as well as Club Car DS model years 2003 and up. Let's get some tools and get started. These are the tools we'll be using today. You want to make sure that you have your parking brake engaged before we jack up the cart. So now, using a pry bar, let's go ahead and take off the hubcap. Using a 3/4 socket, let's go ahead and just loosen these up a little bit. And now we're ready to lift the cart up on jacks. Now, using a 3/4 socket, let's go ahead and remove the 4 bolts here, 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 and here. Now let's go ahead and take the wheel off. Now, using a 13/16 socket, let's go ahead and remove the nut in the center. Now we should be able to just pull the hub off and replace it with a shiny new one. And now we're going to go ahead and place the center nut back in the center of the hub and secure that using the same 13/16 socket as before. Be sure not to over tighten, so you're going to want to use just hand tools for this. Don't use an impact wrench. Should be just snug with enough room for the hub to spin, like so. Now we can go ahead and place the wheel back over our new hub. And we're going to re-secure using the original hardware. Now we can go ahead and tighten these up using the 3/4 socket. Now all we have left to do is place the hubcap back on. As always, we want to thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and for all your golf cart parts and accessories, check out DIYgolfcart.com and make sure to check out our other videos.